Hello students, today we are going to continue chapter 5 data handling, and the topic which we will study today is reading of a pie chart. Yesterday we have learned how to draw a pie chart. Today we will study how to read it. So let us take one example. The adjoining pie chart gives the marks scored by a student in 5 subjects in an examination. If the total marks obtained by a student were 540, then answer the following question. And the question number 1 is, in which subject the student scored 105 marks? As you know, this circle graph is representing how much marks? That is 540. So for 540 marks, the central angle is equals to 360 degree. As we know, the central angle of a circle is always 360 degree. So therefore for 540 marks, the central angle is equals to 360 degree. For 1 mark, the central angle is equals to 360 upon 540, that is equals to 2 upon 3 degree. For 105 marks, the central angle is 2 upon 3 into 105 degree, that is equals to 70 degree on solving. So now we will check 70 degree in the pie chart represent which subject. You can see 70 degree is representing Hindi subject. So therefore in Hindi, student score is 105. So this was about the first part. Now let us solve the second part. Second part is, how many more scores or marks were obtained by the student in mathematics than in Hindi? So we have to find the difference of the marks in mathematics and Hindi to do it. So as you know, in Hindi 105 marks are there. So we have to calculate the marks in mathematics only. So again you can observe that this whole 360 degree is representing how much marks? That 540. So 1 degree will represent 540 upon 360 marks. 90 degree represents 540 upon 360 into 90 marks is equals to, that is 135, because in mathematics the angle, central angle is shown here is 90 degree. So now we will find the difference in the marks in mathematics and Hindi, that is 135 minus 105 is equals to 30. So student obtained 30 marks more in mathematics than in Hindi. Now let us start third part. Examine whether the sum of marks obtained in social science and mathematics is more than in science and Hindi. So we have to check that marks in social science and mathematics is more than in science and Hindi or not. So let us find the sum of central angles for both the subjects. So sum of central angles for social science and mathematics is equals to 65 degree plus 90 degree, that is equals to 155 degree. Sum of central angles for science and Hindi, it is equals to 80 degree plus 70 degree, that is 150 degree. As you can see, the sum of central angles in the subject of social science and mathematics is more than science and Hindi. So yes, the sum of marks obtained in social science and mathematics taken together will be more than the sum of marks obtained in science and Hindi.